He's spent his entire life here. But this buffalo wants a piece of the territory.
Bro, what you creeping for, bro? If I
Both
spend my
these
life
guys
here,
need
bro,
to eat
get gone, bro.
to survive.
Nah, bro, you done
They
ate
square
this
up.
whole time, bro. What
Blood
you
in
doing
their
here, bro?
eyes.
You don't need to be here, bro.
The Rhino lunges.
I don't care about none of that, bro. Hey, who y'all
But the
got, bro?
buffalo is
Buffalo,
lighter
bro,
on his feet.
or the Rhino? Pick now, bro. Don't wait. Comment which one. Early. Look, I'm on that, bro. This my land. I've been here my whole life. I'm not budging. Nigga, you budging.
Both
But
look
it's
for an
dead.
opening.
What's up, then, bro? I'm not
But the
going.
Rhino
Bitch, I'm
seizes
Dolo. What up? Rhino ain't budging. Look, he on
Nearly
that.
2 inches thick, the
Well, I will
buffalo's
take
skin
your
holds
out of her.
Just. He counters the
I
attack.
get a buffalo. He
But
got
the Rhino
hard though,
makes
cause
his
he
extra
just
1.5
he just
tons
got
count.
lifted though.
His head and
That
horn
heart can't
double as
stop
a
it from
heavy
getting
duty
carried. Look at-
forklift truck.
He like, come here, bro. I'm about to move you off my land, bro. I ain't about to keep telling you, dude. He like, but that shit, yeah, but run it back. What
The Rhino goes for the buffalo's tender belly and throat.
He is getting towed up, bro.
Totally helpless.
Hell
Buffalo
no,
can't
they about
hook
to
on
jump
to the
this
Rhino.
dude. Where they come from? The Rhino, bro. You been here your whole life. You ain't got no gang, right? Nobody, right? Bro, they jumping this dude, and he is not going. I'm
Buffalo
Dolo.
don't let their buddies battle
Bro, it's
alone.
like one Rhino versus like 6
Their
buffaloes,
herd
bro.
mentality
What is
strong,
going on, bro?
And his brothers are desperate to save him.
Y'all shouldn't even have fought this dude. Just go eat, bro. He can't chase all y'all, bro. He's still
If he
whooping this
doesn't get
dude,
away,
bro. They stop.
he's
What,
finished.
what do you mean it's gonna be
Another
over? What
buffalo
are they here
steps in.
for? Why y'all watching him? Help your mans.
His buddy
Yeah,
deliberately
all right. I was about
targets
to
his
say.
trapped leg.
I got you, bro. Run, nigga.
With
Get up out of her,
massive
bro.
force, He unhooks his comrade from the Rhino's deadly weapon.
Dude, man.
He's down, but
Look,
he's free.
they like, get up, nigga. We gotta
Time
go.
for
This
everyone to
Rhino,
make a break for it.
this Rhino is real deal.
The Rhino wins
Look, he
the grazing
changed.
rights.
Like, get up out of her, man. This is my land, man. Don't ever come
Wins
back.
his victims
Next time, I'm gonna kill all y'all, man. I swear.